Yeah. Man, I'm stuck in this place, I'm a fucking disgrace. Get my mind up in space, still got nothing to say. I got love for the game and I sign that yours truly. I ain't bout to be the kid chasing money or booty. I'm steady chasing my dreams and I love what I'm doing. And they hating on me, make it look like I'm losing. But when I can't sleep, then I sing, man, it's soothing. But I'm writing these songs, bro, I ain't got the Louis. Still trying to make it out the basement. They say shit, I hate it. Got talent, won't waste it, just face it. They basic, just stay with my placement. Get high as a spaceship, look down when I'm faded. Still I don't know who I am. What am I becoming and I don't understand. I'm constantly running, get my mind in the jam. And it's finally sunny, work hard, that's the plan. Drugs still be numbing, but now I'm the man. I can't lose it, can't be stupid, don't do shit. I stay up every night when I'm dreaming, it's lucid. Put in my 2 cents, everything I spit is too sick. Just cause I am where I am, I'm about to lose it. Tell myself, Dylan, you're not just a stupid kid. Pull yourself together, bruh, don't lose your shit. Just work hard through the pain, one day it'll end. Man, I'm swearing that I'm sane, feel like we're playing pretend. And I don't know who I am. I don't know who I am, no. I don't know who I am. Who am I? Shit. I don't know who I am. Don't know who I am, no. I don't know who I am. Yeah. The fuck. See, I'm sick of being stuck with these bitches with loose tees. Probably never find love cause these bitches got loose strings, they lose me. Doesn't take much to amuse me, but they don't have what I want and I've been trying to do me. I just better myself, I take it day by day. Spit grade A shit since the 11th grade. The love will never fade, but the game won't accept it. Got a cross on my heart, but I ain't wearing a necklace. Call me Allstate, like I ain't progressive, but you ain't in good hands, bitch, look for the exit. Perfection doesn't exist, feminists call it sexist, but I've been writing reckless till I'm on the top 10 list. I feel delusional, like I'm losing my mind. Waste my life away writing the stupidest rhyme. Sometimes I write bars like 2 at a time. Sometimes it's just one, but I ain't losing design. I don't know who I am.